Namaste. Facts are stubborn things, but statistics are pliable. World Statistics Day is an international day to celebrate statistics, created by United Nations Statistical Commission. It was first celebrated on 20th October 2010. The day is celebrated every 5 years. World Statistics Day aims to show that good data and statistics are indispensable for informed decision making by all actors in society. Statistics Day is always celebrated with a theme of contemporary national importance. The aim of Statistics Day is to create public awareness about Mahalanombi's role into statistics and the importance of the field in socio-economic planning and policy formulation. This year's theme for the year 20th October 2023 for the Statistics Day is Alignment of State Indicates Framework for Monitoring Sustainable Development Goals. The Union Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation and will be held at the Scope Convention Center in Lodhi Road, New Delhi. This statistical day provides exact description and better understanding. It is a pleasure to share what is World Statistics Day to all. Thank you.